Parent function number 1. Here we go. We're getting started. Okay, this is page 13. This one does not have a number. It's just the one right after our notes page. Okay, right after our vocab. Parent function number 1. That's where we're at. Okay, let's jump right in. Okay, parent function number 1. Oh. My own little thing is in the way. Okay, parent function number 1. This one's going to be the linear. Okay, linear. Its equation is y equals x. It's as easy as it gets. Okay, so we'll put the name. We got the equation. It's y equals x. Okay, domain of the parent function is all real numbers. Big R. We use big R for that one. Okay, it can be any value it wants. It can be anything at all. Okay, same with the range. There's no restrictions. It could be anything. We could see whatever we would want. Okay, for this particular parent function. Okay, right here. The x-intercept is going to be 0, 0, the origin, and that also happens to be the y-intercept where we cross the y-axis. Okay, so it's x-intercept 0, 0, y-intercept 0, 0. Okay, got both going on. From there are no asymptotes. Okay, there are none. Okay, asymptotes are just these like little boundaries that sometimes you got to deal with every once in a while. You know, I don't know. It's only special functions that have those ones. This one's not one of those. Okay. Max or min, there's none of those either. Okay, for this one there's no maximums, no minimums, because it keeps going. I mean, really we should be putting arrows on the end of this thing if we wanted to give it like a real kind of idea of what was going on. We should have these arrows on here because it's going to keep going. There's no maximum, there's no highest one, there's no lowest one. Okay, let's pick out some points here. Right in the middle we'll put 0, 0. Okay, since it's y is equal to x, whatever x I put in there, it has to equal y. So 1, 1, 2, 2. Go the other way. -1, -1, -2. Excuse me. -2. Okay, that's a good example of like those points. So like that would be 0, 0. There's our 1, 1. Our 2, 2 would be that guy right there. We'd have -1, -1, -2, -2, just like that. Okay, there's a linear parent function. That's about as simple as our functions get, honestly, is linear. Really, things to remember. Domain and range are always going to be all real numbers. Okay, the other way we could see that, we could say we'd have -infinity to infinity. Okay, hopefully those sideways 8s, those mean infinity. Okay, if we say again, -infinity to infinity. You could always just draw a little sideways snowman too, kind of thing. That works too. Okay, we're not going to worry about inverses in this unit. That'll be the next unit. We'll talk about inverses. Okay, this one's going to be focused on just the parent functions. All right. So there we go. There's our first one.